In this video, I'll guide you through how to download a survey from Surveymonkey. Whether you're looking to keep a backup of your survey results or analyze the data offline, downloading your Surveymonkey survey is a straightforward process. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to surveymonkey.com. If you haven't already done so, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look for the All Surveys option. This is where you'll find a list of all the surveys you've created or have access to. Clicking this option will take you to a comprehensive list, allowing you to easily locate the survey you're interested in downloading. Now, from this list, locate the specific survey you want to download. Once you've found it, simply click on the title of the survey. This will open up the survey details page where you can see all the information related to that particular survey. Next, you'll want to click on the Analyze Results tab. This area is specifically designed for viewing and managing your survey responses. It offers various tools for interpreting your data, and it's where you'll find the download option. With the results page open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see the Export button. Clicking this will bring up options for exporting your survey data. It's designed to be user-friendly, providing different formats in which you can download your results. At this point, you'll notice two options: New Export and Previous Exports. If you've never exported this survey before, or if you want the most up-to-date data, choose New Export. This will allow you to create a fresh download with the latest responses. However, if you've previously exported the data and don't need the newest responses, you might opt for Previous Exports to save time. One crucial thing to keep in mind is that exporting survey results may require an upgraded account. If you're on a basic or free plan, you might see a prompt indicating that you need to upgrade your account to access this feature. SurveyMonkey offers various plans, so you can choose one that best suits your needs if you're interested in exporting your data. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to download a survey from SurveyMonkey. Whether you're conducting research, gathering feedback, or analyzing trends, having the ability to download your survey results allows for greater flexibility and further analysis. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides. See you in the next video.